everybody, it's Friday, June 19th, and I hope you guys got a chance to see my weigh-in video today. I'm getting increasingly more impatient to get to that 100-pound mark. Some of you have asked me why it's so important for me to get there. Well, a couple reasons. First of all, you know, on January 1st, 2016, I never thought I would be under 200 pounds, let alone lose 100. That 100-pound milestone is, you know, like proving to myself that I could do it. I think it's just a great accomplishment for anybody that reaches that. And it just gets me closer to my goal. When I started, I set a goal of losing 147.8 pounds, which would take me down to 130. Now I'm 5'2". I don't think 130 is unreasonable. It may not be attainable or sustainable, but the closer I get to that, I'll let my body and my doctor figure that out. But the 100-pound mark is just a big milestone that I want to get to. Yeah, I mean, just proving to myself that I could do it, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. So 7.7 more pounds, and I'm anxious to get there. If you remember last fall, I was this far away from getting into Wonderland, and it seemed like it lasted forever. And I finally got to Wonderland, and I mean, it's 6 months ago. I should have been past my 100-pound mark by now, but you know, I kind of been farting around and lost my mojo there for quite a while. I'm thinking I have it back, but every time I think I have it back, then I slip into something else, you know. So my pattern has been lately that I've been eating a big breakfast and not eating lunch, or eating a very small lunch, because I don't eat my breakfast until noon or later. So that's kind of been my pattern the last couple weeks, or last few days, you know, really. So, and it's going to be my pattern again today. So I'm on my way to the laundromat, by the way. I have to do my laundry. I was sitting around, I was on my computer and watching some YouTube videos, and I thought, I have to get my laundry done, because tomorrow I have a nail appointment, and then I have a graduation party to go to. And then Sunday I am going to church, and that's my whole day. I mean, I'm not at church the whole day, but it's just that, you know, I set aside Sundays for, you know, church things and hopefully getting together with friends and stuff. But anyway, so I wanted to get it done so I had clean clothes to wear to church. So I ate breakfast. It was, you know, it was going on 1 o'clock. It might have been a little after 1 o'clock when I got breakfast. And I've been taking more time to cook, and instead of doing some quick stuff. Now Sunday I know I'm going to have a quick breakfast, and when I get home I have to start some yogurt, because that's on my menu for tomorrow morning, and I need yogurt. And I meant to start it yesterday, and then the day kind of got away from me. So I'll do that and then drain it overnight, so I'll have yogurt tonight or tomorrow. So it should only take me a couple hours to do my laundry. So if I get it started by 6 o'clock, I may not be getting drained yogurt tomorrow. Because I like to let mine cook for about 10 hours, 10 or 12 hours. So, oh shoot, I was going to take that whey out of the refrigerator too. I need to bring the whey up to the room temperature, but it's so warm today, I don't think it's going to be a problem. I'm getting sidetracked here, aren't I? So I was saying my pattern has been not eating lunch, or eating a very, very small lunch. I should have brought an apple with me, or a piece of fruit with me, but I mean, that's okay. I mean, it's been, like I said, it's only a little after 3, and I ate late. So anyway, meantime, I've downloaded about 4 quilt patterns that I want to start. And then I open up the drawer and think, oh, I have this t-shirt or start, really. I have the squares cut out, I just haven't started putting it together yet. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I think I'm going to be doing like a quilt as you go thing with that one. So I should go to the fabric store, see if I can find some OU fabric to back it with. I might. But anyway, so on my dinner tonight I have cilantro chicken salad, which is another new recipe. My breakfast this morning was a new recipe for me, anyway. Recipe for me. And the cilantro chicken salad, originally I was going to have it for lunch and then have just a grilled chicken breast for dinner. I thought, it's so late, why bother doing both? So I'm going to make this cilantro chicken salad and then serve it over a bed of lettuce. And that will be my dinner. The problem is that takes me to only 11 points for the day. So it's not enough points, so I'm going to need to eat something else. I might have, some... that's what I could do. I could have some baked tortilla chips. That I can bake them. My tortilla chips. What I did the other day was I have the La Banderita corn tortillas, and I cut those into triangles, and I stuck that in the oven. Didn't need to be baked long. I might do that. That way, it's a controlled portion, and I know exactly what I'm getting. So, yeah, I think that's what I do. Okay, I just figured it out, and that will add some points. I think 2 of them are 6 points, so I might have 3 of them for 9 points, because I need to get up to at least that 20 points to get a blue dot. So, yeah. I've had some good days on plan. I did have a weight loss this week. I was hoping for 2. I got 1.2, which is still good. But like I said, I'm just getting so antsy to get to that 100-pound mark. Also, I kind of set that 100-pound mark as a benchmark for me to go buy some new clothes. So my thought is, and I don't even know if they're open yet, but my thought is when I get to that 100-pound mark, I'm going to go up to Frankenmuth, to the outlet up there in Birch Run, and do some shopping. So, yeah, they still haven't gotten the form laid over here. Okay, I just wanted to drive through. I know that they're setting forms this week and yesterday. So, he's doing one over there. They'll get to it. I'm so impatient. When I want something done, I just get so impatient. Just like with this weight loss, I'm getting impatient. And I know I shouldn't. But, because everything takes time. Anyway, so I have my menu for today already tracked, and that's what I've been doing, because I've been putting these new recipes that I've been trying. I put them in the recipe builder, and then I track them for the day that I'm going to have them, so that way I don't have to really think about it. Like yesterday, I tracked all of today's stuff after I put the recipe in, because I'm using recipes that were based on smart points. So some of them are different. Or I should say the blue plan, and mine are green. Now, the cool thing about that is that if I switch programs, if I switch plans again, my recipes will automatically change to the current plan. So I think that's a very cool feature in the app. So I I have my air conditioning on. I hope it's not being too noisy, but it's like if I have it down to the next thing down, it feels like it just completely shuts off. Yeah, the number 3 one's not working. Number 2's working. 3 doesn't work. 1 works. 2 works. 3, there's nothing. 4 works. And 5 works. I'll keep it on 2 while I'm recording. Oh, I'm supposed to have my blinker on here. So anyway, I'm feeling more energized now about the whole program. And gosh, Sandy, I hope that we're neck and neck tomorrow. Actually, I hope I'm ahead, but I think you're already ahead of me. So hope we're tied tomorrow. Let's put it that way. We're figuring we're probably going to cross over that 100-pound threshold at the same time. So, all right, guys. Well, let me show you what I've had to eat today. Again, you're probably only going to see breakfast and dinner because it's almost 3:30, and I'm just headed to the laundromat. So by the time I get home, it's going to be dinner time. We'll just skip right over that. And oh, to make up points, what I've been doing it in the evening for a snack, I've been having like an apple with some peanut butter. And last night I had 2 tablespoons, so that was 6 points. So I ended up the day with 22 points yesterday, or something like that. But I've been staying right in between like 20 and 26 points every day. And this is Green Plan. But that's kind of how I've been getting over my nighttime snacky thing, or I have some strawberries, or I'll make my nice cream. But I've got to tell you, all the strawberries I had 2 weeks ago, I'm just about done with them, that I didn't jam up, you know. So I'm thinking maybe Tuesday I'm going to go over to that town and get some more strawberries. Get a couple more flats and just freeze them, because I'm really enjoying those treats. So, all right, let me show you my food. Then I'll be back to wrap things up. So this is my breakfast this morning. It's my breakfast burrito bowl with spiced pumpkin. The pumpkin's on the bottom. I baked for a little while. It's got the pumpkin, some spices, some fresh made pico, 28 grams of avocado, an egg, some reduced fat cheese. It's 4 points for that bowl, including the egg. And then my red, white, and blue salad is 0 points, and I have 2 points in my coffee, so I have a 6-point breakfast. Well, here's my dinner tonight. I made cilantro chicken salad. It's got 5 ounces of chicken breast in there, so this is 6 points. It's got also 2 tablespoons of light mayo. So 6 points for the chicken, and then it's just on a bed of veggies and lettuce. And then I also did some tortilla chips with it. These are the La Banderito corn tortillas. There's 2 tortillas altogether for 6 points. 3 points, I mean. So that's... I have 9 points for dinner, however that turns out. I have 18 points left for the day. I'll have to double check my app to make sure I tracked everything correctly. But I have a lot of points left. Well, hey guys, so I had a really good day on plan. I ended up the day with 20 points. I think it was 20. Just barely got my blue dot, and that was only because I had a couple of sugar-free popsicles tonight. So, yeah, so I had a good day, good weigh-in, and I'm well on my way. So, just found out that our water has been shut off because the tank is leaking. So, I'm headed over to spend the night at my son's house, or his apartment, because I need to be able to go to the bathroom during the night. So, and then I need to take a shower in the morning because I've got places to go tomorrow. So, anyway, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Getting my stuff together, and then I'm going to head over to Andrew's, and then I have a nail appointment, and then I have a graduation party to go to tomorrow. So, kind of a good thing. I'm not going to be cooking because I don't have any water. and we won't have any water until Monday. So I'm probably going to be spending the night over there tomorrow night too. So, all right, I'll let you go. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is, I probably not going to record until Monday. So just stay on plan, everybody, and I'll see you Monday. I'll be posting updates on my Facebook page, so check that out, or my Instagram. Bye-bye.